Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So we're just gonna jump into it. Gonna start with the brow process. Gonna start gluing them down. It was really hard for me to find a glue stick in the stores. I don't know why, but it was. These are some new glue sticks. These ain't the glue sticks I had when I was younger. But anyways, just a regular Crayola glue stick and gluing down the hair. And I have this spoolie and just working it through all of the hairs in my brows. And going on top with another layer just to make sure everything is coated. And then you really have to make sure that you work the glue through all of your hairs, and I'm brushing them upwards and grooving at the same time. But just making sure the glue is just thoroughly through each brow. And then I have my Derma Blend translucent powder and the little sponge that it came with, little powder sponge, using that to apply it. And I believe what one of my issues was with this look is that this powder was too thin, because as you can see, you can still see the my brows, and I'm using like a little stiffening brush to swipe away all the excess. But if you want to do this look, the no eyebrows look, make sure you have a thick powder. But now I'm going in with my Marc Jacobs moisturizer. And I applied my color corrector, LA Girl color corrector in red with a concealer brush, and I'm blending it in with my fingers. I just find that to be most effective, just blending it with your fingers. And I thought, since you can still see the black, like or brown hairs on my eyebrows, whatever color they are, it's like a dark brown. But I used the color corrector to try to cancel out the dark color, because you know, red color corrector on people of color, usually in the darker shades, that works best for canceling out any dark spots or dark whatever on your face. And I have my Fenty Beauty foundation. I applied that on this Real Techniques stiffening brush and just blending that all over. I use about 3 pumps total, between, you know, my upper neck and all the way through my forehead. It's about 2 to 3 pumps. It's the moisturizing foundation, and it's buildable coverage. And I go on top with the Real Techniques Real Techniques brush. Wait, you know what I'm talking about. The little sponge. Yeah, the sponge. Because Beauty Blender is a whole different, you know, company than Real Techniques. So we don't want to get that confused. Real Techniques sponge. Now, Colourpop concealer for highlight. This concealer is pretty good. It's not too thick and it's not too watery. And I found it at my, what was this before? It was Ulta. They have like they don't have a lot of their products because most of them are online, but they had like a little bit. And this is the Fenty Beauty contour stick in Truffle. Love this contour stick. And bringing that nose contour up to your eyebrow bridge really, really elevates your nose contour. Like, it makes it very much snatched. It makes a difference. And I just added the concealer on top of my brows just for more coverage, just to make sure my brows wouldn't show. And we go in with that sponge again. And I have this stiffening brush. I found this at a beauty store actually. And I'm using that to blend out my contour. Right here, I am just blending out that nose contour. I'm using this small eyeshadow brush just to make sure it's very precise and snatched. And I'm going in with two of them, one for the contour and one for the highlight. And I use my concealer to do this kind of like round shape just to make my cheekbones look higher, and blend that with the bottom part of my sponge. That really just elevates the look, really. And now I'm going in with my contour powder. It's pretty much a bronzer. It's by Milani Cosmetics. It's a drugstore brand. And you're just going over that nose contour and making sure with the Derma Blend powder that I used earlier, that's what I use on my highlight for transitioning powder. Translucent powder, my bad. And just making sure the nose, like I said, is snatched and precise. And I put it everywhere else that I put concealer as well. And I don't really bake for too long either. And that same Milani powder, I just used a big Real Techniques brush and put that everywhere over my contour, and make sure you get those jawbones. And now I'm using that same little stiffened brush from earlier and just brushing away all the concealer. This is the first step I use, the first step I do to brush away all the powder. And this kabuki brush is the second step, just to make sure all the powder is gone so I won't look pale. It's just an extra step for precaution. And I have this Rebound Urban Decay spray just to set all that in. And I'll also use my TooFaced Tutti Frutti spray because we used a lot of powder. And my fan just to, fan that all in. And now I have my liquid eyeliner going into the eyes now. And my James Charles palette, just use the black from that. And really focus on the eyelids and building upwards. And I use the eyeliner just to make it more pigmented. You can use liquid or you can use a gel eyeliner, but using an eyeshadow by itself usually is always never, pigmented enough if you're doing a black smoky eye. And I'm bringing that to my under eyes too, doing the same steps. But yeah, you most likely will always have to use a liquid or gel eyeliner just to make it, stand out. If you wanted to, not be as pigmented, then go ahead and just use the eyeshadow. But I really wanted it to be like jet black. And I'm using this small little tiny pencil brush, and then that was for to apply it. And this brush right here is like a medium brush, medium size eyeshadow brush, just to blend it out. I put no product on the brush, just using it to blend what was already on my eyes. And this is the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going in with like a nude burnt orange color, and put that around the black on the upper lids and on the bottom, just to blend it out so it won't look too harsh, just to have some type of transition. And yeah. A lot of blending is needed for a black eye, smoky eye. A lot of blending. Because you could really just be out here looking like a raccoon if you don't blend enough, or a panda, you know. But anyways, this shadow I use, it's a black with little sparkles in it. It's from Pure Cosmetics Artistry palette. I love that palette. And I use a flat eyeshadow brush to apply that all over my eyes. And, you know, a little jam session. Just vibes, you know. And so in that same palette, I'm using this strawberry kind of glittery color, also with this very dark gold, deep gold color, sparkly color. Mix those together and it makes like a very vibrant bronze-ish, like a rust bronze. And I just put that kind of like a C around my eyes and on top of my brows just to make it pop. I don't know, I just thought those colors would look cute together. And I'm using that gold that I combined the colors to put on my nose. And going back in with the, oh yeah, I got eyeliner in my eye. That's always fun. It was really actually painful. But yeah. Just, you know, pigment, adding more definition to the look. And I have my black eye pencil. I got that from a beauty store as well. Just a regular, I don't know what type of brand. And just put that in my waterline. And this Kush mascara, I got the mini one just to test it. I wanted to try a new mascara and it's actually really good. It's by Milk Cosmetics. It's called Kush. And also, pencil from beauty store. Using that for lip liner, just a dark brown. It's actually an eyebrow pencil, but I use it for my lips. And I just use this little lipstick tube to apply the taupe color by MAC Cosmetics because it was running low. And I was just like, I'm not buying another one. I don't feel like it. So I just got a little lip gloss, little brush to put that on. And this lip gloss, that's from like Forever 21, you know, that they have by the register when you buy the checkout. Yeah, that's that. And yeah, that's all. Alright, y'all. This is everything completed. I put some lashes on. And I have some cut lashes that I put down here. Just a little something extra. And then I teased the hell out of my hair and put on this nude lip situation. And got this little outfit, this little see-through top that I think I got from like a thrift store. And these like spandex pants from American Apparel when it used to be a thing. The pants Sandy wore in Grease, the last little scene, you're the one that I want, ooh, 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 that song, yeah, those pants. These earrings, they used to have a little gem in them, but one came off, so I just took both of them off, and I think they look pretty cool. So yeah, this is it. I like it. I like it. First time doing no eyebrows. And it's really cool. This look is low-key inspired by a look Rico Nasty did. I forgot the makeup artist's name, but I'll tag it. So I'm about to go take some pictures and y'all can go look at those on Instagram. And yeah, oh shit. I think it's raining. I think there was lightning I saw. Or somebody taking pictures. I don't know. Anyways, so this is it. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Don't drag me for how I did these eyebrows, because a lot of people do them different ways, and this may not be a correct way. There's probably always a better way to do it, but it worked. So that's it, and what about it? All right, so thank you guys. Remember, follow me on social media. Subscribe, please. thumbs up if you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more looks. Love y'all. Bye.